Here's how to create a logo in Grok AI. Let's get to it. So on grok.com, you need to go over it and log into your account. After that, on the left hand side, you need to press on this imagine. And then on the bottom here, on the right, you should be able to type a prompt. So what prompt do we type in? We can type in something like this. We can enter in our name of our company. Like for example, I can say Casa Coffee with a comma. You can specify the look that you want for your logo. It could be a 3D logo, minimalistic logo, 2D line art logo. There are a lot more options to it. They do not provide you those options here, but you can specify them just typing it over there. For example, with this one, I can press on this send button and there you go. Now it has given us these images and they are all really good. Now I can go inside one of these images, for example, this one. And if I want to make any changes to it, I can type in the prompt bar on the bottom. Something like this, change color to warm purple, and then press on the send button. And there you go. It has now changed the color. And just like this, you can ask it to change anything inside your image. You just need to specify in the prompt bar on the bottom. Now I'm going to show you one more option. Here I've entered in create logo for pet store. Should be cat in the logo. You just need to separate each of these lines with a comma next to it. Then let's press on the send button. And there you go. This looks really nice, the first one. The second one has colors in it. And you can use this. For example, if I want to add my store name under it, I can specify it over here. Something like this, add Casa Paus under the logo. Then just need to press on the send button. And there you go. We have now got the Casa Paus text under our logo. Just like this, you can create your own logo for your business on Grok AI. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you should be able to find more Grok AI related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.